Hello people who love underwater filming. I am Alexander co-owner of diveandsee. On this video I would like to introduce you top 6 accessory for our new development Sony housing. I will insert the camera inside the housing. The tutorial how to do it you can find on link in the description. To mount accessory we provide 2 threaded /20 holes from top and from the bottom. This is one accessory which you can use to hold the camera. Another option to hold the housing is a camera tray. Right now I'll attach camera tray to the bottom of the camera. Another option is a video light, and this video light can be attached to the camera tray. Camera tray coming with 2 LED lights. To attach LED light with camera tray, we provide clamp. This is all accessories for our new development Sony housing. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you later.